हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सब कैसे हो? हाउ आर ऑल ऑफ यू डूइंग? तो मैंने आप सबको बोला था कि अर्लियर सुबह व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माय मॉर्निंग वॉक मैंने 14,000 स्टेप्स जितने किए थे एंड आई हैड मेंशन्ड इन द व्लॉग दैट माय फीट वर पेनिंग अ लॉट. They were hurting and it was very uncomfortable for me to walk, and I got to know that I formed blisters on the bottom of my feet and they were paining a lot and चलने में भी बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है. तो चलिए डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ेगा टू फिक्स इट. लोग जाके देखेंगे एंड आई विल सी इफ आई कैन ओवरकम द फियर ऑफ नीडल्स और नॉट. भैया यूनियन बैंक में ड्रॉप कर देना. सो आई वाज मेंशनिंग कि आई एम वेरी स्केयर्ड ऑफ नीडल्स. मुझे बचपन से बहुत डर लगता था फ्रॉम इंजेक्शंस एंड इवन sewing needles. So we'll see today if we can come over the fear or not, because I guess to pop them, you have to use a needle and देखते हैं bandage लगा सकते हैं कि नहीं, and if I can get form of treatment and resume my journey tomorrow. So I'll see you there. Usually इतना time में बहुत traffic होता है depending on कौन सा दिन है, because sometimes there's the market and usually the vehicles are very crowded on the road. And आप देख सकते हैं कि सुबह it's usually very cool. You get a fresh breeze of air usually. And अभी शाम को it's really hot. I can assume it can be 32 degrees or 33 degrees approximately. तो आपको चलने में हालत खराब हो जाती है. Because I'm sitting in the toto as well and मुझे अभी से बहुत गर्मी लगने शुरू हो गई है. और my hairband is also starting to loosen up a lot. I don't think if it's visible on camera or not, but you can see कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा खुल रहा है क्योंकि मेरा बाल खुल रहा है सामने से. And क्या कर सकते हैं? Sometimes I wear clips. I was thinking of tying my hair today, but the condition would be as bad. भैया आगे रोक देना. We have reached. So this is where I've reached. Health Hub is a small chemist store where you can get all sorts of small treatments. So let's go get my blisters checked and hope they get better soon. Excuse me, actually मेरा पैर के नीचे थोड़ा सा blisters form हो गया है and वो चलने की वजह से हो रहा है और वो पूरा फूल चुका है पानी के साथ. तो आप बस उससे देख करके थोड़ा पॉप करके उससे थोड़ा ड्रेसिंग कर देंगे ताकि वो ठीक हो जाए. ऐसा हो गया है. मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको. So I asked if I could get the dressing done or not, but it turns out that they don't really do that here. So मुझे कहीं और जाना पड़ेगा. And we'll see अगर वहाँ अभी हो सकता है कि नहीं. We are on our way and the vehicle was stopped because there's a bit of traffic. I don't know why there's more traffic, but I can hope that we get there soon. There's a lot of promotion here. बहुत horns बज रहे हैं, बहुत गाड़ी है. Weather भी बहुत गर्म होते जा रहा है अभी. It has reached about 35, feels like it. I'm not sure. मैंने आज forecast नहीं देखा. So I'm solely going by assumption. But कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि when you're looking at the forecast, it shows कि it's 30 degrees or 31. But इतना गर्म होता है weather. मेरे को तो लगता है forecast अच्छा reporting देता ही नहीं. Forecast can never be reliable. कभी-कभी दिखाता है बारिश होने वाला है, बारिश नहीं होता है. कभी दिखाता है कि गर्मी होने वाली है, जो हमेशा होती है. सब सुना जाता है. Tends to be really hot. So, भैया यहाँ रोक दीजिए. So हम पहुँच गए हैं. Let's go to I guess it's called Riddhi Health Center. I'll just show you the banner in a second. So this is the destination, which is Riddhi Healthcare Center. So अंदर जाके देखना पड़ेगा if they will do the redressing or not. If they do, then देखना पड़ेगा कितना charge होता है. It's very tall, you know. Oh my God! Look at the skies. बहुत clear है. You can see the clouds. You can see the trees over there. बहुत धूप है आज. You can see. बट कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि धूप ज्यादा होता है एंड आसमान उतना साफ नहीं होता है. बट अच्छा है, देखते हैं अंदर जाके. We're inside the building now and we need to ask someone if they do the redressing or not. Hope they do. Finally got a bit of shelter from that sun. So I just asked if the redressing is done or not, and they said that they will take out the water first and they will provide a sort of medicine. So देखते हैं कि दर्द होता है कि नहीं होता है, because I'm really scared of needles. I can't even look at them, you know. So we'll see. होता है कि नहीं. They are preparing it. They are putting on the gloves. I just saw the syringe. I'm scared. Let me show it. It is my worst enemy. Pretty scared of it. Such a scaredy cat that just by looking at the syringe, I'm starting to get scared. मैं आप सबको दिखाऊंगी कि कितना बुरा लग चुका है, feeling. अभी तक भी it's burning a lot, and I can somewhat still feel it swelling up. So you can see they're applying a sort of this liquid to fix it, and here comes the syringe. I am so scared right now. Yeah, ये क्या apply कर रहे हैं आप? Betadine से clean करना है. Oh, so they're using something to clean the feet first before putting the syringe. I don't know if I'll be able to show it because I know a lot of us are also scared. Oh my god, here it comes. It's burning a little bit. Oh god. I would show it to you, but it looks pretty gruesome. Burned a little bit. ऐसा खा रही हूँ मैं बहुत liquid है मेरे के अंदर. हल्का सा now they're cleaning it a little bit. Sort of pressing. I'm not that aware about anything related to medical things, but it was just a slight sting that you would feel. Maybe I'm being really hyper aware, but it felt like an ant stung it for a second. I'm showing the other foot now. It's a very small one compared to my right foot because I destroyed it. And the thing is, what happened was I had scratched my ankle over here, and I don't know what this part is called, but I was trying to balance it, and I walked on the front of my foot for at least 10 minutes, and I guess that's what caused the blisters. Pained a lot. Maybe it's because it's a smaller one, so it pained. Hurt. So, and it's done. Let me show you my foot now. Smaller one hurt more, surprisingly. I thought it would hurt less, but I guess I overcame my fear. I couldn't record much of my reaction, but I'll show it to you. There we go. Fine now. Okay. Okay. I suppose I have to have antibiotics, and the skin will automatically just dry and peel off. It looks better now. Okay. Okay. So I'm not supposed to walk either, as he had said, because I don't know what chala is called. Please let me know in the comments what chala is called in English also, but chala pad jayega, as you can say in Hindi. So there goes my morning vlog. मैं सोच रही थी कि it would get better and then I could walk, but turns out that it is pretty sensitive right now. चल नहीं सकती मैं, so we have to manage home somehow with this pain. So now I learned that when you have a problem, don't try to fix it on your own. You should get a band-aid. Please get a band-aid. Look at your sportswear and do not wear ankle socks. Ankle socks. Kabhi bhi mat pehenna when you're going outside. And please do not be a fool like me and walk on the front of your feet for at least 10 minutes if you are not that experienced on walking on your tiptoes. देखिए मेरा 2 दिन का चला गया वॉकिंग. बट कोई बात नहीं, मैं आप लोग को दिखा देती हूँ एक बार मेरा पैर कैसा है अभी. आप लोग देख सकते हैं बहुत लाल हो चुका है जहाँ पे पॉप हुआ है. ये छाला है. दिस इज द मेडिसिन आई एम सपोज्ड टू टेक एंड देखते हैं कितना जल्दी रिकवरी होता है. विल सी हाउ इट गोज. होपफुली इट गेट्स बेटर देन 2 days. दे दर्द ना हो जाते वक्त हल्का सा चल रहा है, बट मैं आपको तो दूसरा पैर दिखाना ही भूल गई. वेट, लेट मी शो यू माय अदर लेग and my other foot, and I'll see if it's red or not. Final reveal देखते हैं. ये वाला उतना लाल नहीं है. Not that red. Go get the medicine now. This one. So we're going back to the small chemist store as a pharmacy to get those medicines. And it actually doesn't hurt that much while I'm walking. दुख नहीं रहा है. Struggle of keeping my hair open and these rights that they tend to get tangled a lot. Bhaiya, yaar, rok dijiye. And we have reached the destination. So we have reached here and dekhte hain. And these are the medicines that I got, because this is a sort of ointment that I need to put on. I thought this was spelled as tea bag, like literally the word tea bag, but it's tea backed. That makes more sense. And these are the pills I'm supposed to take for recovery. So I hope this recovers soon, or else my walking journey is cut short. Okay. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you, everyone, for the medicine. Mil gaya, let's go. Chalte. So that's the end of the chaos of my blister journey, or my blisters. So do hope that I recover soon, थोड़ा ठीक हो जाए, because apparently the redness that has been caused, it needs to be fixed, and I cannot exactly walk. चलना थोड़ा बंद करने बोला है मुझे डॉक्टर ने, तो देखते हैं ठीक होता है कि नहीं, because I don't want to pause my walking journey for at least even 2 days. मायने रखता है, तो we can meet again in my next vlog. हो सकता है I'll give you updates on how it's going. देखते हैं ये काम करता है कि नहीं, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.